It's cozy evening rain gently pattering against the window. You bring Jungkook cup of the coffee, but while he's lost in your thoughts of the food, air your coffee. Thank you. You always know how to take care of me. Blinking. The rain, the warmth, you in my arm, it's perfect. I don't need anything else in the world but you. Was what your stomach? Yeah, maybe. I'm trying to be movement and you're thinking about food. You should be loving me more for it. More food means more dates. Fine, but first let me steal a little taste of sweetness. Okay, that was nice, but now food. Let's go feed my hungry princess before she devours my plate off. Jungkook takes you outside for your favorite food. The rain is still falling softly, making everything feel warm. You hold into his arm, excited for a cozy meal. Ah, this rain, food, and my husband. So, do you want me more than food? Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Unbelievable. Just you both reach at the food stall, your phone ring, his smile fades, the answered expressions turn serious. I have to go something urgent at the office, but the food. I will make it up to you, okay? Just eat something and take car home. Suddenly, the loud clap of the thunder shakes the sky. You intensely freeze, gripping his arm tighter, you breathe hitching. Jungkook, noticing. Are you scared? I can't go home alone, the thunder. Why you didn't tell me before? I don't want to sound childish. I'd rather go empire burn than leave you here like scared. So you're staying? Damn it. His phone buzzed again. He looked at you, then looked at the phone. The stormy sky with deep sigh. He put the phone back inside the pocket and grabbed your hand. Come on, let's find some place and wait outside and together. Really? You think I can just leave you alone when she's scared? No way, my man will handle it. Right now, I only care about you. You are the best. Now let's get some food. After enjoying hot at your favorite street, Jungkook walked back to the car holding hand. Rain slowed, breeze makes movement even cozier. I swear my beginner status mean nothing to you, just went street food and hugs. And bags, don't forget those. Oh, you want me to? Only after the food. Unbelievable, my wife loves more my $1 billion dinners. So you admit you like to sticking with me, maybe. He walked you to the horse door, but he don't to leave you grab his sleeves, look at him with a big planning eyes. Don't give me that look, I have to go. But I don't want you to. You're making it really hard for me. Can't you just stay a little longer? I wish I could, but promise I will be back earlier. Pinky promise? Pinky promise. With the bag, he copies your face, back you gently. Happy now? Nah, go before I trap you forever. And wouldn't mind. With the last lingering look, he finally leaves, but not before turning back, throwing you wink. You sign, already counting minutes until he's back in your arm again. After finishing all your housework, you finally settle on the couch, cozy blanket, watching your favorite TV serial. Red outside has peaked, heavy loud against the window. You are into your snow until casually glance at the clock. It's 9. Rain outside grows heavier, thunder makes you flinch. You glance at the clock again, it's 9:15 p.m. Still no sign of Jungkook. Muttering, I promise he come earlier, where is he? You grab your phone and call him. This time it doesn't even ring, straight to the voicemail. His phone is off. You clench the phone tighter, your heart racing. Storm outside makes everything feel eerie. Streets are empty, the house too quiet. You trap the blanket around yourself, sit on the couch, hugging your knees. He promised always keep promises, he wouldn't just forget. Your mind starts to running violent possibilities. Did something happen to him? He's stuck somewhere. Why he's answering? Another loud thunderclap makes you jump in. Lights flicker for the second before stabilizing. Jungkook, where are you? Try to focus on the TV, but keep glancing at the door, holding hear the sound of this car. Minute pass, then an hour, but nothing. Gripping the blanket, if it doesn't come soon, I'm going to. Just power flickered. No, no. You scrabble your phone's flashlight, you're breathing in even. Rain defining now. Everyone's shadow in the room feels scarier. Please come home. Jungkook in his office, quickly shutting his laptop, grabbing his Oh, Storm outside getting worse, but his promise to come home earlier only delayed. Why are you running so lovesick, huh? Is your office or something? Maybe soon. Oh, really? I didn't say yes. But you didn't say no either. Bye. Tell my future new for hi. Shake his hand but small smile into his lips. He rushed to the elevator. His thoughts are only you, your cute pout. You have been waiting by the door, probably wrapped in the blanket, expecting him to keep his promise. Gripping steering wheel, just hold on, I'm coming. Storm is wrecking house dimly by candles. Since the power is out, you call up in the couch, standing at the door. Every second feels longer without him. Then a finally sound of the front door unlocking your heart leap. Jungkook step in, drenched from the head toe. His eyes immediately finding you. Running to him, throwing your arms around his waist, Jungkook. I'm so sorry. I was so scared your phone was off, the power is out and the thunder. You don't grip his shirt tight, you're pressing against yourself. If you keep pressing like this against like this, then You're so warm, don't move. Control, Jungkook, control. He's already missing you from the pump. From you clinging to him, you hold back, knowing you're still shaking up. I thought something happened to you. Lifting your chin up, nothing in this world could stop me to come back to you. He back your forehead, lets out shaky breath, trying to regain control himself, not against him. Anyway, have you eaten? How could I eat when I was scared to waiting for you? Don't look at me like that, you're making me weak. Weak for what? You don't wanna know? Now let's eat before I forget how to control myself. You giggle, he finally pulls away, only grab your hand, lead you to the kitchen when he knows he can distract himself food instead of you, at least for now. After your bed, head to the bedroom. The rain is still falling softly, thunder has clamped. Watch you scratch, rubbing your eyes sleepily before flopping under the bed. Tired old lady? So who's sleeping? But I wanted to talk to you. Not now, tomorrow, now sleep. You really know how to taste in my face, don't you? You turn off beside the lamp, slide into beside you, wrapping arm around you, whispering you close. You warm the intensely melting, you blew his face in your hair, inhaling the soft scent. You are so comfy and you are so dangerous. He places a soft pack on your shoulder, finger tracing the gentle pattern on your back, completely relaxing his embrace. Whispering, heart melting, my sleepy angel. He closed his eyes, trying to fall asleep, but his mind refused to rest. You press against him, the warmth of your skin, soft breath against his chest. It's for your torture. His jaw clenched and tried to push away his thoughts. Just sleep. But you snuggle even closer, he lets out deep sense shaking. His hand and small swag. You have no idea what you're doing to me. With a last deep breath, he tightened his arm around you and forced you into sleep. No matter how he ends right now. Your sleep is more important, but tomorrow you won't expect so easily. At the midnight, you deep in sleep, wrap around his arms, when suddenly your phone vibrates and Einstein is sharp ringtone breaking the silence. Ruben reaching out for the phone. You guess the screen, unknown number snuggling. Your phone declined the call, tossed phone aside before snuggling back into the one beside you. Who was that? Wrong number. Waking you at this hour. Just as you're about to drift off again, the sudden boom of the thunder shakes the sky. You gasp, started your body tensing. Without thinking, you put out your hand inside Jungkook's overshed t-shirt, shaking warmth and safety. Freezing eyes widening. His breath hinges as you feel the warmth of the press against the bare chest, your soft hands clinging onto him tightly. His body tense, heart rushing through him, innocent yet completely torturous accent. The thunder is scary. You shift silently, completely unaware how much you are teasing self-control. His muscular flex under your touch, clenches jaw and shutting his eyes tightly. Control, she's just scared. Be a good husband, just hold her. You are really pushing it tonight. You snuggle closer, completely unaware of the fire you are igniting in him. Your finger gases tone up, stretching random patterns. His show cleans his breath uneven. Stop moving like that. You don't know what you're doing, huh? Before you can process anything, another loud boom thunder shakes the room. You gasp, clinging to him tighter, your finger pressing against his head, making him lose the last bite of control he had left. That's it, I can't hold back anymore. back what? In the one shift moon, Jungkook flip over, hovering you, dark eyes lock into yours, full of emotion you don't quite understand yet. Let me away your fever of thunder. Let me make you feel safe. But I already feel safe with you. Your innocent ones only make him groan again. His finger brushing against his side, making you shiver. You have no idea what's coming. What do you mean? You will understand soon. Before you can ask anything, he seals the lips over yours, making you forget everything, even thunder outside. So thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next video.